Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about object crosstalk. Two-channel systems are very sensitive to setup. Distance from walls, distance from each other, distance from the listening position. I mean, look at all the things we go through. Equilateral triangle. We take a lot of care because we know sound travels at a certain speed. We want arrival times to be equal on the left and the right channel. Stereo demands it. Demands it of the direct energy from the speakers, this energy, and the reflected energy from the sidewalls. Because we have this convoluted mess here across that field. Now, you got to have equal distances on the sidewall to the speakers. You just have to, okay? Should have equal density, especially for low frequency pressure management. Sometimes that's not possible, but at least we can get solid surface to solid surface distance equal, okay? Sometimes there's no sidewall at all. It's missing completely. Well, we can't have that. So then we have to bring in our carbon technology, our ACDA series or our carbon panels. Units are on casters. We're going to build our own wall with the units. When we're not using them, we roll them out of place. Put them somewhere else, okay? Spurious reflection, sound field, very sensitive. Between the speakers to listening position, you know, some people have coffee tables here. You can't have all that kind of stuff. Can't have any objects here. There's no speaker manufacturer that designed his speaker and said, all right, we're going to make it sound good with a 4-foot equipment rack between them. You can't do that, okay? Keep it low, 12 inches, 15 inches maximum off the floor. You don't want to get up into that sound field, that crosstalk area here. Keep it clean. Keep the sidewall reflections areas clean. Can't have any gear, tables, things like that, especially in the front of the house, we call it. The behind it, a little bit different. I always instruct people when they're building their rooms to put the door behind the listening position so you're not messing with the front of the house, the gear, the cables and speakers and all that stuff. Keep traffic out of there, okay? Front wall, sidewalls, rear can be open. We can leave the rear open. It minimizes reflections and can reduce pressure in a lot of situations. So there's some benefits to that. But the sidewall and the front walls have to be connected and contiguous. So be careful with these sound fields, especially between each speaker and the speaker to the listening position. That's sacred territory. Keep objects out of that. Object crosstalk, we don't want it. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.